Cardano makes a run for it, breaking short-term resistance and right now approaching the eye of the storm, the midterm resistance. Do Cardano bulls have the momentum to break this area? What is up, everyone? Welcome to Crypto Capital Venture. Hit the subscribe and like on the way in for the very best Cardano technical analysis. Let's jump into the video. First off, can I just show you this? I tweeted this 6 hours ago. Cardano will be above $1.25 when I wake up tomorrow or I delete this tweet. Good for you. Good for me. I didn't have to delete the tweet. Just woke up not that long ago and we're above $1.25. Now, there is a lot going on these charts we need to talk about. First off, we can exit this multi-day consolidation sideways trading. We have exited it. Now we are in new territory. We have new things to discuss. Check this clip from April 4th. $1.24 right here, the 618 line of the short-term Fibonacci, to $1.27, the 786 line. This is the short-term bullish breakout area we want to see Cardano make a move through. Boom. That's the move we want. So we definitely got the boom. And it's important to note that because this could be the very beginning of the midterm reversal that we really want. And the reason I say that is because, all of these things are a story being told, right? We're waiting for these confirmations. These are stepping stones. And each step along the way, unfortunately, requires us, and not unfortunately, it's a good thing, requires us to have patience, because patience is a good thing in these markets. This is the first stepping stone. We got that break through the short-term resistance. It's a bullish confirmation. It's a bullish sign, because the flip side of that is Cardano breaking to the downside on the short term. And we had a lower trend line that we were talking about. Cardano was walking on thin ice. We have a little bit of separation now from that area. This was a lower trend line of the ascending triangle. Also, we had this entire Fibonacci support area that we were just testing over and over and over again after getting the initial bounce out of that area. So we're getting separation from that support area. That's the first short-term bullish sign. And it happened. And that's a very good thing. Now, what else is transpiring that we have to talk about right now, because we're in it, the eye of the storm, is this. So this is a clip from April 2nd. If you take this previous swing high upper trend line touch to swing low, and we pull this over, look at that. A potential short-term struggle here for Cardano at around $1.40 to $1.30 area. That's so $1.30 to $1.40. Now let's go back here and let's chart this. Now we broke the first stepping stone, that short-term bullish reversal. It's a good thing. Now, if we want to make our way to this upper trend line, we're at a new resistance, and even the 6-hour wick is demonstrating that on the charts right now as I do the video. It is the upper trend line touch to the swing low, lower trend line touch, and Cardano testing right now the 618, right around $1.32 or so. The 786 up here around $1.40. So that's our new channel of resistance, our new channel of discussion that we're talking about. And you can see Cardano wicking right into that area right now. And the question that I have now on this chart is, how will Cardano interact with this? Not only that, what are all crypto markets going to be doing in the next 24, 48 hours? We talk about it's good that Cardano has separation from this area, and it is. And if we go to an hourly chart, we can track this now. That is the swing low down there. And let me zoom in and let me remove this larger Fibonacci. So this, look at that break on the hourly. That's a good break. So swing low down here for Cardano, this last swing low touch to swing high resistance now. So Cardano, even in the short term, has room now. You see this for consolidation back down, a new higher low, continuation through. So again, even on the short-term charts, I'm always trying to demonstrate the fact that it's okay for Cardano to consolidate even down. We're putting in a trend reversal. So for the story to be told, for Cardano to break this area, we all want, trust me, I want this too. Cardano just an hourly candle straight through $1.30s into the $1.40s. I want that. But we don't always get what we want, especially on the crypto charts. And you can see this hourly resistance already sitting at this Fibonacci resistance area. So that's $1.32, which we're like right below it right now, to $1.40 up here. So that's the new short-term resistance. This has been the midterm resistance. So the reversal is in play now, and now we just have to track it. We have to see how Cardano interacts with it. And also, if we do make a move to the downside, new support now at $1.23 to $1.20. So keep an eye on these areas. Keep an eye on consolidation. I want to go to the daily and I want to illustrate the fact that 64% of the apex to the apex, April 11th, is approaching. It's an area we've been talking about in terms of the ascending triangle. Based off of Bolkowski at the pattern site, we know 64% of the way to the triangle apex, we get a breakout of some sort. So we're getting close, and this is in a bull market. So if you're looking at the daily chart, you can say, okay, we broke this short-term resistance. We're approaching the midterm resistance. If Cardano can, whether it's straight through now or coming back down, and then we're making our way right around this area, 64% of the apex is approaching. And it's not exact. It doesn't mean April 11th is the exact day. And on the flip side, this is a breakout area, 64% of the apex, in both directions. So if this new short-term support fails, meaning swing low to swing high, coming back down to test support that we just talked about, if it fails, maybe the breakout is to the downside, around 64% of the apex. I do these videos every day because we have to track these things. We have to look for confirmations. So far, we've gotten that first short-term confirmation, Cardano breaking the short-term, and that's not the short-term resistance area, but the short-term resistance area that we've been talking about in these videos lately, right here, we've made the move through. Now, important to zoom out on the charts, everybody. I tweeted this. This was February 26th, 2021. I said, wondering how much higher Cardano can go. Just look at this ADA BTC chart compared to 2017 when ADA saw 1,600% gains in around 1 month. That happened without Shelly, Goguen, Africa, Grayscale, smart contracts, Coinbase, etc. So if we go to that chart now, the ADA BTC pair chart, you can see when I tweeted that, Cardano was really cruising up here in this area. And this move to the downside is a couple weeks of red. We're getting that last month or so of bounce because we're on the weekly. This is so solid of a move. This right here is a higher low. And we're talking about the price range drop on the BTC pair was around 45%. It sounds terrible, but in a reversal, in a long-term reversal, in this bull market cycle, putting in that higher low, one of the most bullish things Cardano could do. Because if you remember, the Bitcoin bull market started back here when Bitcoin broke the bull market doors. That green Fibonacci that you see there is the swing high bull market high of 2017 to bear market low, pulled back into the bull market doors, explosion through to the upside. That's the story being told for Bitcoin right now. We're in the middle of the bull market. If you remember, Cardano now on the weekly, bull market high 2017, 2018 area, bear market low, Cardano still just at the bull market doors. And not only that, testing the 786 line of those bull market doors for around a month, more than a month. And right now, slight separation from that area. So we see what Bitcoin did. Huge explosion through the bull market doors, through the 1618, and we're all the way up here. So if we're going to Cardano, there's still a lot more of this bull market story to be told, namely separation to the 1618, which is around $2.30 and beyond. All of this zoomed out on the charts, going into smart contracts, one of the most bullish things for Cardano right now. On top of all of the other stuff happening for Cardano, the zoomed out charts just look absolutely ridiculous for Cardano right now. So we have to, reel in our short-term excitement. There's a lot going on right now in just the entire crypto ecosystem. It's important to take note of what Bitcoin is doing along the way. But right now, on the very short term, this was a really good move for Cardano. But the question is, as we go into today, this is what I'll be watching. Can Cardano make a continued move, a continued push through this area, $1.32 to $1.40? That's the real area we want to see break, because this is it up here, everybody. The $1.50 area, and this is a lot. This is an uphill battle for Cardano. I mean, look at this. We're going from the lower trend line around $1.15 or so, all the way up to $1.50, just to get to the upper trend line of this ascending triangle. And the ascending triangle has a $2.50 plus breakout area. So there's a long way ahead, a long journey ahead for Cardano, but the first step accomplished. But we're going to continue tracking it, and we're going to see, what Cardano can pull off. So wanted to throw that out there. Everybody, if you're into the NFT stuff, go follow my new Twitter, new company, Crypto Capital Max. We have first token minted, just looking so good. And just look at that. Look at that. Crypto Capital Max NFT. These are one of a kind, low volume, high quality NFTs, everybody. I'm just having fun with it. Building with all of you. You got our stake pool. We have a ton of delegators out there as we cruise through 27 million Cardano, as we all take part in this distributed consensus. I know I talk about it all the time, but I appreciate your support as I grow this arm of Crypto Capital Venture, and as we track Cardano, hopefully to $1.50 resistance area, to track the journey to 250 plus. Everybody, I appreciate you. Have an awesome day. If anything crazy happens today, we'll absolutely do another video today, but we'll track it. We'll see. How does Cardano interact with that resistance that you see on the screen? I'll see you in the next video. Hit that subscribe, hit that like. Have an awesome day. God bless.